Hey guys, how long can the state of Tennessee keep a probation violation and not serve it? Hi, I'm Jeff Goldtrap, an attorney in Nashville, and I wanted to help you answer that question because I've had that question come up to me as an attorney. Jeff, how long can they keep a warrant? Jeff, they kept a warrant, they took out a warrant on little Johnny and did not serve him, did not bring him before the court for 10 years. Well, the real question is, do you have a right to a speedy trial on a probation violation? I would argue that you do. Now, you've got less of an argument with a probation violation, because remember, in a probation violation, you're already on probation. Well, duh, Jeff. Okay, you're on probation because either you were found guilty or you pled guilty. So we're not talking about innocent until proven guilty. You've now been found guilty, or you've entered a plea of guilty. And so you have done something that the state of Tennessee charges or alleges that you violated the conditions and terms of your release, of your probation. And so they take out a warrant. Maybe that's not reporting. The simplest way to violate probation is stop showing up. But anyway, maybe you didn't report. Well, the probation office took a warrant. They wrote up a warrant. They presented it to the judge, probably a circuit court, general sessions judge, and they presented this to the judge. Judge signed it. Now it is an active warrant. Okay. A year later, 5 years later, 15 years later, you're bebopping down the road, minding your own business, driving in Knoxville, and you had this probation violation in Memphis maybe, and you get pulled over for running a stop sign, and the policeman says, well, now wait a minute, there's a warrant for your arrest. At that point, you call my office and say, oh, Jeff, they waited too long. They violated my speedy trial rights. Well, did they take out the warrant during the time that you were on probation? If the answer to that is yes, the next question is, what did they do to enforce their warrant? They may have put that information on NCIC. They may have asked for holds from different places. But they did something to enforce their warrant. What did you do to exercise your rights to speedy trial? Well, Jeff, I knew there was a warrant out for me. I'm not about to tap a policeman on the shoulder and say, hey, why haven't you arrested me yet? Okay, these are some questions that would be asked if you were to say, the probation office or the state of Tennessee violated my right to a speedy trial in a probation violation. So the answer is, does the state of Tennessee have an amount of time that they have to serve a probation violation? Not really. Okay. The first issue is, don't violate probation. Hey, that'll solve that. Just don't violate probation. Well, Jeff, how do I not violate probation? You follow the rules. That's another video, and we'll go into that at a later time. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap, an attorney in Nashville. I look forward to seeing you and helping you. Have a great day.